I wish I had Jesse's grill. Why can't I find a grill like that? I wish I had Jesse's grill. Okay, enough foolishness. We're gonna stir fry, but we're cheating today. We're doing Trader Joe's vegetable stir fry kit with everything in the bag. It's got all that, and it looks like that. Let's get started. So the first thing it says to do is take out the noodles, toss them in hot water. Well, I'm always in hot water, but I brought a thing of hot water for the noodles. Let me see if I can find them. I know they're here somewhere. Let's see. There we go. This is some kind of noodles. Soba noodles. Very little calories. So let's open this up. Aren't they pretty? Doesn't that look yummy? Nobody said eating healthier is easy. So, should be a sauce packet in here too. Saucy. Okay. What's left is veggies. Broccoli, bok choy, cabbage, snow peas, onion. That's all? Okay. Throw a little Earl, just to keep it honest. Spread around our Earl. And move this. You know what I forgot? I forgot my utensil holder. Oh well. Oh, I don't want sauce. I want veggies. So this is relatively inexpensive. Normally I would do my own stir fry from scratch-ish. Okay, not really from scratch, but pick out my meat, pick out my veggies, heat them up. Ooh, cabbage. I smell cabbage. Ooh, I can hear the air conditioner turned off. I mix my own sauces and spices and all that, but I'm trying to eat healthier, and it looked cheap, or inexpensive, sorry. Not cheap, inexpensive. I'm cheap. And Trader Joe's sometimes does okay with their stuff, so we'll give it a try. Get a nice little char going. Make sure the veggies are heated. Yeah, I like my veggies better, but I'm sure this will be fine. Absolutely fine. La-da-da-da. La-da-da. Cabbage smells good on the griddle. I actually do like the cabbage, maybe throw in some bacon. But bacon's not healthy. We have to think healthy. Maybe I can find some healthy bacon. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. My noodles are getting, well, they're softer. Yeah. I'm breaking them up here. And it just looks like raw hamburger, doesn't it? Ugh. Healthy. I'm eating healthy. Keep that in mind. Okay, I guess I'll, expected they'd be a lot softer by now. Maybe my water's not hot enough. I'm breaking them up by hand. You can't see because I'm doing it off frame, we say in the business, the filmmaking business. So what I'm gonna do is take these yummy noodles, stick them through a colander. How's that look? Cool, huh? Special effects too. Boy, we give you your money's worth. Okay, one more stir, and I'm gonna strain, even though I'm already enough under a strain. I'm gonna strain the yummy noodles, and we'll be right back. See, I told you I'd be right back. You didn't believe me. So, there's our noodles. Yum, yum. Still can't swear that's not raw ground beef, but we'll take their word for it. Hopefully they'll break up. Usually when I soak my noodles, because I like some of the noodle stuffs. I love my fun, the rice noodles. That's what I usually use for my stir fry when I can get them. But these didn't break up so well. Maybe with a little bit of frying, we'll do better. Don't want my veggies all soggy and burnt. Maybe slide them over a little. Maybe turn down the heat. Try to get these noodles doing something. These are sad noodles, y'all. Maybe my water wasn't hot enough, because, you know, tried to do it outside here with y'all. Could have done it in the microwave, but then we wouldn't be outside, would we? I wanted to do it outside with you, with this view. Okay, yeah, these are sad noodles. They get a sad face. If I was really doing special effects and had a production crew, I'd insert a sad face emoticon right now. Let me double check here. It said 1 minute. Combine noodles and red cheese, saute. Yeah, I don't know. They're starting to soften now. Maybe I can mix them. Really disappointed in the noodles. Breaking them up as best I can. But, ugh. Oh, there's the air conditioner again. It's hot. I'm hot. You don't look so bad yourself. Okay, we added some veggies and some noodles. Now the sauce. Hopefully the sauce won't let me down. This is a soy ginger sauce. And it's pungent. Turning down my griddle. Get a little stir. Still trying to break up those noodles. I know this would have been better inside in a fry pan or something, but we have a Blackstone and we like to be outside. We prefer being outside. That's why we're Blackstoners. That's why we griddle. Let's see, let's try a little piece of cabbage here maybe, if I can get a piece. Help me! Help me! That's a very crunchy piece of cabbage. The sauce is okay. Let's try noodles. I know the noodles shouldn't be tiny like this. They should be stringy. But I had to break them up as best I could. Yeah. It's, that's it. It's okay. Hold on. Yum, huh? Trader Joe's stir fry. Let me turn this off. Don't want to get too close because I have a microphone cord and I don't want it to burn off. But yeah, it's probably edible, which is the best I'm going to say about it. Anyway, remember, our motto is, we screw up so you don't have to. And thanks for watching, thanks for following, thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you for all your helpful comments, but most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time.